Hi old friends and new friends, I'm Tammy K. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about my Patreon subscriptions and what that includes. If you become a member with Patreon with me, you can start as little as $3 a month to get bonus content. So that could include, depending on the tier that you choose, exclusive tutorials, live stream access to a monthly live painting class where we go over exercises and do a composition and really go in depth. I also do art prints where you can get 2 5x7 art prints that are signed, sent to your house every other month, and you can use those for personal use or even maybe to gift to a friend. I also have a drawing worksheet at one of the levels where you can access this worksheet that gives you pictures step by step on how to draw some type of flower. So depending on the tier you choose, you can get access to all the information and all of the bonus content from the previous levels. We have so much fun on Patreon, so if you would like to learn more, definitely click on the description of the tiers. And I hope to see you soon. Happy painting, guys. I'm also a therapist and I do talk about self-care and mental health from time to time. I want you to enjoy your painting experience, not to be worried and frustrated, but to take a deep breath, relax, and know that this is a fun process. It's a learning process, and every brushstroke gets you a little bit closer to more practice and feeling more competent at whatever you're doing. Happy painting, guys. We'll see you soon.